How to schedule activity in HubSpot. So first, go to HubSpot, and then you can just hover your mouse over this icon here, and then click on contacts. So let's say I'm going to schedule an activity with one of my contacts. So let's say Brian here. So just open up project for contacts. Next is you can just click on activities here at the top, and then you can just select any of the activity here. So let's say I'm going to schedule a task for this guy here. So you can just click on create task, then name your task here. So I'll just name this task 1, and then you can just select your due date here. So let's say in 2 business days, or you can just select a custom date. So let's say I'm going to make this due until tomorrow, and then if you want to send a reminder, you can do that. Then if you want to set it to repeat, you can do it as well. And then you can just type in your task here. So let's say I want you to do this and that and blah blah blah. Okay, and then once you're done doing that, you can just click on create. And then as you can see, click on activity here, and there you go. Now you just created this here, task 1. Now we just created a schedule activity with this guy. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.